data governance is very, very important because I think it's infrastructure of the AI. And as we turn into an AI era, many countries are established their sovereignty AI. And to Taiwan, I think sovereignty AI is not just about computers, it's also involves data. So data is the basis that we can build up our own models and also the applications on the models. So the data is very important. So with the correct data governance mechanism, I think we can aggregate more data as possible to build our sovereignty AI. I think the new technology always bring challenges on the governance. So as the technology evolves very fast, we need to understand and grasp the technology as it evolves. So when we are thinking about the governance of data, we need to do it in an agile way, which means we need to keep the spaces and the flexibilities for any changes it may be required by the evolution of the technology. I can only talk from the perspective of Taiwan. In Taiwan, I think we are just catching up about the data governance, but we will do it as quickly as possible. Our approach is not to create holistic and exhaustive regulations, but we will build a framework through a basic law of data governance and the utilization. So we are going to have this framework and the basic law of data. Then we will, based on the law, invite collaboration, invite ministries, invite different ministries to collaborate together to create our data plans of agenda, to create our data utilization agendas, so we can let every sectors and also individual ministries to collaborate together to move things faster enough. Most of us will talk about the personal data protection and also privacy. This is our very important issues should be addressed, but the other things is also how we can build trust between the different stakeholders so they can share data in a trustworthy way, so we can utilize the sharing of the data most. Then we can actually make the best of the data we have and to use it in a proper way to keep the balance between innovation and also the protection of human rights. International dialogue is essential to build trust between the different countries, and also we can learn from each other. The events or dialogue like Privacy Symposium create a venue and spaces for this dialogue. And we can learn from each other, such as the best practice cases, and also I think we don't need to build everyone doesn't need to build their own wheels. If we have some ideas about how to build a wheel, we should share it and also share the tools so we can actually move faster. I think this dialogue creates this kind of opportunities. Just like the talk our conversation a few minutes ago, that I learned the EU is going to create some templates for human rights assessment. I think this is also it will be very helpful to Taiwan, because we actually already done assessment in human rights, but we would still like to learn how the European think about what kind of a metric should be put into this human rights assessment. So by this kind of dialogue, I think we can improve the whole process and make the things better. I think this is a very important spaces that as we share the same value, we can have consensus on the goal we want to achieve together. Although we are not working at the same place, but through some mechanisms like a working group, or even through the platform and the AI tools, or even the data sets we share, I think we can actually collaborate together from different parts of the world. I think I would like to have this kind of platform, because as I just mentioned, it all takes a lot of resources and efforts for people to collaborate together. It takes me 15 hours to travel here, so we cannot do that frequently. But through the database and through the platform, we can actually have this kind of online tools. We can actually collaborate it together in spite of we don't share the same physical spaces. So I think this is something that we can collaborate together, because the database will create how to say that? I think the database can create a common understanding of the status. So we will keep us understand the others' work, and also by having common understanding of the status, we can actually utilize the resources we have. Because I think there are so many issues we need to solve at this moment. So we need to utilize our human resources, our time at the best way. And using that kind of tools is, I think it will be very helpful for us to achieve the goal. We come from Taiwan, and Taiwan is a small island, but it's essential and in some sense a core of AI revolution. And we do want to be included in these dialogues of AI governance and data protection, and also privacy, because I do think our industry and our government and our civil society, we have the experiences to collaborate together, and we can share that kind of experiences to partners globally who share the same democratic value with us. And also, we would like to invite the partners share the same value to give us some advice on how we can improve our work and protect the value we cherish together.